Ramp Credit Card Review. Ramp is a corporate card and expense management platform with a focus on saving its customers money through its algorithm-driven insights. The credit card offers an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase. Additionally, Ramp provides various discounts and rebates for business products, potentially saving customers up to $350K. The Ramp credit card comes with no annual fees, setup fees, late fees, foreign transaction fees, or additional card fees. It offers a free base service with a premium subscription plan called Ramp Plus, which includes advanced features for $15 per user per month. The card is available to corporations and LLCs with over $75K in the bank, and it does not require a personal guarantee during the approval process. Ramp's features include card controls, spend tracking, bill payment automation, mobile apps for receipt management, Slack integration, and HRIS integrations, among others. The company also offers Ramp Flex, allowing businesses to use financing to pay vendors over a 30, 60, or 90-day period. Customers generally praise Ramp for its solid cash back rewards, responsive customer service, accounting integrations, and easy card management. Some criticisms include the frequency of notifications, variable credit limits, and the desire for a higher cashback rate. Ramp ensures the security of users' data through multiple security measures in compliance with PCI DSS requirements. It operates in partnership with Sutton Bank and Celtic Bank, both FDIC members. Comparatively, Ramp stands out in the corporate credit card space due to its unique cost-cutting focus and absence of fees. While its $75K cash requirement may pose a challenge for some businesses, its comprehensive expense management software and competitive cashback rate make it a top choice in the corporate credit card market. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.